Let's check everything that comes with POCO X8 Pro. So first of all, obviously we'll need to open the box that I have right here. I've removed the seal from the bottom, and that way we'll be able to access the main contents of that box. And first thing you will see is a cardboard, and if we open this cardboard, we'll be able to find, or okay, it actually opens like that. Inside we'll be able to find the cable. We also have all of the instructions, and there's the silicone case. In this case I have a black case like that, and the rest of the things are the phone itself. So that is all of the accessories that this device comes with. It doesn't come with the charger. Let's also actually check if it has screen protection. So as you can see, it does have a screen protection pre-installed as well. And this is the European version that I bought. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.